Hello, today we're going to be working on a Rolls-Royce Silver Spirit, and today I will show you how we're going to be removing the front grille. You will see it's very easy. All we need to do is to open the bonnet. Now that we have the bonnet open, we need to look at the back of the front grille, and you will see three bolts that we're going to be removing now. As you can see, it's found here, in the middle, and at the end. Now to remove it, we're gonna use either a flat spanner number 11 or a ratchet, whatever you want. The ratchet, it's a bit faster. So we'll just remove the three and we're done. Okay, we make sure we don't lose the nuts. At the middle where the bonnet is, it can be a bit tricky. If your ratchet is a bit big, it won't fit probably, so you might need to use that flat spanner. Okay, if you want to retract the mascot, you do it as you wish, but it's not it doesn't disturb in any way. Okay, we're nearly done. There we go. And now we can just pull it out. So we lift it up. Okay, here we go. Because as you can see, it's clipped here on each side. Okay, we now have the grill here. And I've got the bolts that go here. Okay, so now I'm not sure if you can see it, but here that washer is larger than those two, so this one goes in the middle. Okay, I always recommend that we place back everything on the part, on whatever part you dismantle, that way we never lose them. Okay, so now it's back here. So I'm not too sure why you need to dismantle the grille of your car. The reason for me is because here on each support the grille is actually moving and it makes some noise, which is irritating. What's happening here, I'm missing a rubber, so that's why I need to change it now, and I'll place it back. Here I will show you something, because you may have seen some front grille that are not retractable. This one is, as you can see, it goes in. From Silver Shadow and before, they were not retractable. From Silver Spirit, Spur, etc., Seraph, they all became retractable, first manually, like this one, then on later models with the remote, and now on the latest Rolls-Royce, it goes with a, as you start the engine, it automatically pops up. Switch off, it goes in and it covers itself. This one, I mean, when people used to buy the car originally, it was not given with a lock, so that's something that we usually buy separately, because it's quite expensive to replace it if someone steals it from you. The lock is about 200 pounds. It fits inside and you lock it in front, and it locks behind this. Anyway, it's held by a chain, so I don't think anybody will steal it from you. It's quite difficult to do, but you know, when there's a will, there's a way. Okay, all the grill that are fixed are from the US. Okay, all America, it's done that way. What else I can tell you? Well, the person that made that grill, there we go. I'm not sure if you can see it here at the back. It's TT. If I can remember correctly, in the factory there's 3 people only making those grills, so it's obviously all handmade. Okay, so anyway, now let's fit it back on the car. Now to place back the front grille, we put it in its position, and we're just gonna put the two on the side, so be careful, this can move. Okay, so we just put it approximately. Okay, I fitted one and I place the other. Okay, now it's fitted. We're just gonna tighten it, but not fully. Okay, only so that it can hold and we can adjust it. Why I'm saying that is because when we're gonna close the bonnet, the front grille needs to be aligned with the bonnet, and if it's not aligned, well, it's gonna look a bit ugly. Yeah? So okay, I've tightened it a little bit too much. Okay, it moves. Now this one. Okay, now we close the bonnet slightly. Okay, and we check, okay, if it needs to be lower or raised. And here I can see that it needs to be raised a little bit. So if you use the flat spanner, you should be able to put it through. Okay, so okay, and we raise it a little bit until it feels good. Okay, here it feels very nice. And now we tighten it. Okay, brilliant. Here it can go up a little bit too. Okay. Okay, now it's perfect. So what we do, we raise the bonnet again, and now we're gonna tighten it fully, and we're gonna place the middle one. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty easy job. Here we go, it's fitted. Now fitting the middle one, and that's it, done. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video. Ciao. Well, my friends, I hope you enjoyed the video that I've shown you and you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel and give me a like. And if you feel like it, you can leave me a comment as well. Well, see you on the next video.